Students, here we are discussing problem number 2 of projection of a line. The question is, a line AB 70 mm long has its end A 10 mm above the HP and 20 mm in front of the VP. Also, the point B, the end point of means point B is 45 mm above the HP and 70 mm in front of VP. Okay, draw the projection of a line AB and find its inclination with HP and VP. Okay, so this is problem. Now given data is true length is given, that is 70 mm. That means A dash B1 dash equal to A B2 is 70 mm, and we have given location of point A and B. Location of A is 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. So we have to draw this 10 mm in VP, that means above the XY line, and 20 mm in front of VP. This distance 20 mm is we have to locate below the XY line. Okay. Similarly, the location of B is 45 mm above HP and 70 mm in front of VP. Okay. So that means this 45 mm we have to draw above XY line, and this 70 mm we have to draw below the XY line. Okay. So starts our problem. First draw XY line, this is XY line. Okay, this is my vertical plane and this is my HP horizontal plane. Why I am locating this HP and VP? Because point A is above HP and in front of VP. Okay, that means point A locate only in first quadrant. Similarly, point B is also above HP and in front of VP, means point B and A both lie in first quadrant. Okay, these lie in first quadrant. So that's why we have to use only first quadrant, and in according to first quadrant means first angle method of projection, vertical plane is above the XY line and your horizontal plane is below the XY line. Okay, so now we have to denote or locate distance 10 mm and 20 mm. This 10 mm above XY line, so I am here taking distance 1 centimeter or 10 mm above XY line and 20 mm below XY line. Okay, so this is our point A dash and this point is A. Okay, when you get A dash and A point, draw one horizontal line which is parallel to the XY line. Okay, so this is your locus of A dash and this line is your locus of A. Okay, so now also they have given 45 mm above means location of B. So mark 45 mm above XY line. So you have to draw one point which is at a 45 mm, and after that draw one horizontal line. Okay, similarly this 70 mm distance of a B is below XY line, so take a distance 7 mm from XY axis. This 45 distance from XY axis so actually this line is nothing but locus of B dash and this line is nothing but locus of B. This distance is 7 mm, and after taking this 7 mm distance, we have to draw one line, and this line is nothing but locus of B, and this line is 45 mm, which is nothing but locus of B dash. Okay, so now all these four data, this 10 mm, 20 mm, 40 mm, 45 mm and 70 mm we have used. Now remaining given data is 7 mm. This is nothing but your true length. Okay, so we have to take 7 mm true length distance. This is true length distance in the rounder. Okay, and from point A dash, mark one point at this point. Okay, similarly we have to take 7 mm distance from A, and we have to cut locus of B, which is at point 7 mm. Okay, so now join these 2 points. This is your B1 dash point, and this is your B2 dash point, sorry, B2 point. Okay, once you get B2 point, we have to draw one straight line up to a locus of A, means up to A dash line tak, and draw one straight line up to point A. Okay, so this is your point B1, and this point is nothing but your B2 dash point. Okay, so now we have to take this distance, means A and B1 dash as a radius distance, and center A we have to draw one arc. Okay, similarly considering radius distance A dash and B2 dash and center as a dash, draw one arc which is cutting to the locus of A dash, and this curve is just cutting to the locus of B dash. Now join these two points and join these 2 points by a straight line. Okay, so this is your B dash point, this is B dash point, and this is your point number B. Okay, in this problem we have moved B1 dash to B1 straight downward, and then from B1 to B by curve arc. Okay, similarly from B2 to B2 dash by straight line, and then arc towards B dash. Okay, so this is B dash point. Now we have to measure, because in the question we have to find the inclination with HP and VP. Okay, so just measure this distance, sorry, this inclination. This is 29 degree. This is your theta. So in answer your theta is 29 degree and your phi is 44 degree. Okay, also mark this distance this is 20 mm and this is 10 mm distance. Thank you.